middle the gravity is a little bit less, and that's why here you lose 1 kilo weight.
Welcome back guys to the part 3 of this video. So we're gonna go to that part of the tour and we're gonna see some games, some experiments. So yeah, please take a seat, relax and join me to this amazing adventure. Come on guys, let's go.
Very strong. You need to resist. I'm going to try to push down the Muy bien. Muy bien.
If you turn the other way.
Easy, I'm stronger than you. What's a little bit easier for me and harder for you to resist? Guess what? This was other game to understand better something. In the middle, the gravity is a little bit less, and that's why here you lose 1 kilo weight. 2.2 pounds And that's why here you lose the resistance. You don't lose the force, you lose the resistance. It's also suppose that here we can jump a little bit higher than in other countries, in other places because of the gravity. Okay? Now, for the next activity, all of you come over here, please, and let me show you what is it. Okay, any audience? Now is the time for the... Okay, so please, let's go. Another challenge. On the line, but with your feet like this, heel to toe, your arms up, your eyes closed, and chin up, okay, like this. It's harder, it's difficult because you are going to feel like something is pulling you, you are going to feel unbalanced. It's supposed that the same activity could be a little bit easier if you try there or there than on the line. On the line is harder because of the force. If you want, one person can start here and the other person there, doesn't matter the way, okay? Who wants to try first?
Yeah guys, okay, we're gonna try a little experiment and how difficult it is to cross the line because we are in the middle of the war. So let me see.
Chin up, chin up. Chin up.
One challenge for me is those straight down, for that reason your body was here, but then you start feeling like the different forces trying to take through the different ends. Okay? Now let's go back to the other challenge, the egg challenge. You are going to try to get on the nails, and if you do it, at the end of the term, I'm going to give you a certificate, a diploma of egg master. Okay? You need to start like me. One foot in each hemisphere, and then you need to take the egg like this from the bottom with 2 hands. Raise your thumb, and with tiny movement, you are going to try to balance it on the nail, little by little. With a chicken inside. Okay? Wow. Egg master. Okay? Who wants to try first? If you want, one person can try here and the other here. Tiny movement. If you feel that the egg is falling in one way, you need to...
Yeah, so you guys, we are trying to stand up the egg on the nail. It's supposed here to be more easy, but really hard. Nothing of the tour can do it, only the guide. So yeah, it's really cool activities that you can do here. Really recommend it. It's really nice. So yeah.
How's that gonna happen?
Really fast.
Okay, well, now here we are in this traditional house of the Andes or highlands of Ecuador. This house that we have here is original from 1875. The house was already here and then the museum started building around. And then in 2000 they discovered the Latitude in that part that we already visited. Now that is the famous part of the tour of the museum. About the name of this house, we call it Chicheria because the owner, who was Rita Caiza, there you can see the picture, she used to sell here chicha, a typical beverage made with corn. It's a fermented beverage. And the way to cook it is like this. In this vessel, and around, as you can see, we have 3 stones of different size because that represents the family for the indigenous people. For example, the biggest stone represents the taita in Quechua or the father, the medium one the mama or the mother, and the small one represents the guaguas or the kids or babies of the family. Rita also used to sell here roasted guinea pigs. As you know, guinea pigs are pets in other countries, but here is a traditional and delicious dish. Have you tried guinea pig? Not yet? Okay. This animal is also important, especially for the indigenous communities, because people also use guinea pigs for natural medicine to clean the bad energy of your body and also to know the different illness that you have. For example, they pass over your body a guinea pig like this, making circles. The guinea pig is alive. At the end, they open it, and depending on the organ that is affected in the guinea pig, that also means that you have that organ affected in your body. Kind of weird, but as I said, it's natural medicine in Ecuador. What happens if the guinea pig dies while you are doing that process? Terrible, terrible, bad news, okay? And finally, about this animal. Maybe do you know why we call them in Spanish cuyes or cuy? It's because of the noise, of the sound that they make. Quick, 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 quick. For that reason, it's cuy. A very easy and simple name. Now, about the construction technique of this house is called bareque. As you can see on the walls, it's a mixture of different materials, especially mud, straw, stones, and animal excrement. That technique made the house flexible or earthquake resistant and also thermical. And with the different things that the people used to cook here, the smoke helps to make the roof waterproof. For that reason, you can see that it's very black or dark. Years ago, the people also used the smoke to preserve the meat, for example, for more days. They use this object that is called tangan, and here we have the garabato. So they have a meter, and with the smoke, they preserve it in best conditions for more days, for more time. And finally, there you can see we have that kind of second floor that is called soberado. That was to storage the different products of the family. This little house was the kitchen of the family of Rita Caiza, and the other house that is outside in front of this one, similar characteristics but bigger, was for the other activities, to sleep, for the kids, etc. The Salasaka community, the men, are in charge of doing all these kind of tapestries with this pattern loom. As you can see, Manolito is showing us. Something important, something special about the tapestries is that they make them from back to front. Okay, they start working the tapestry like this, in this way. And all the designs are unique and original because, as you can see there, they don't have any kind of drawing or pattern. All the designs come out from their minds. Now let me show you this important element about their clothing. They wear this hat, you can touch, so you can feel that it's hard and heavy too. It's made with sheep wool, water, glue, and cornmeal. It's hard, so it's also used as a weapon to hit people, a dangerous hat, and also to play like frisbee. And as you can see, it has a small size or a small shape. Why do you think that it's small like that?
To throw better? For you to throw?
No, it's because they wear the hat, then I'm going to show you how, similar like this, and that helps to have the correct posture, the correct position of the body. If the hat falls, that is like a respectful for the group or the community, okay? So they need to wear the hat like this. So you need to be in the correct position, the correct posture.
Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this. The museum are really interesting, really fun. As you can see, here we are at Latitude. 000. So yeah, I recommend you this place, really nice. Please don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, share with your friends, and come to Ecuador, to the middle of the world. I really find you have all the game, all these activities are really interesting, the tradition are really good. So yeah, tell me in the comments what do you think about the Ecuador, what do you think about the middle of the world, what do you think of the tradition, of the things that we saw. And tell me please what else you want to see and watch in this video. So yeah, hope you enjoy. See you soon. See you later. Take care. See you. Okay guys, so they also give you like this certificate that you can stand the egg on the nail. So yeah, it's kind of fun, really interesting. So yeah, waiting for you. See you later.